Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to record your screen with audio on Windows 11 step by step. Press Windows and G together to open the Xbox game bar. Click on the Capture widget. If you don't see it, open the Widgets menu, the icon with 3 lines, and select Capture. To start recording, click the Start Recording button, a circle icon. When recording starts, a small status window appears at the top of your screen. This window shows a timer, and next to it, there's a microphone icon. Click the microphone icon to toggle audio recording on or off, depending on whether you want to include sound. To stop recording, press Windows, Alt and R together, or click the Stop Recording button in the status window. Your recordings will be saved automatically in the Captures folder in Videos. Xbox Game Bar works best for capturing apps or games, but doesn't record certain areas like File Explorer or the desktop. If you need more flexibility for screen recording, check out free tools like OBS Studio, where you can record the entire screen, apps, and audio with custom settings. And that's it. You can now easily record your screen with audio on Windows 11. Try it out and start creating your content.